So I don't have money for a hairdresser, so when I put in my crochet hair, what I do is I braid my hair back up until like a certain point. I'd say up until about this point. All right. Then when you braid, you're gonna make little braids, right? Little braid here, little braid. These are all like short cornrows, right? Then you're gonna have a little piece of each one sticking out. So what I did, I unbraided them a little bit, and then I made them all one braid, and then I actually ended up making them all one cornrow. Then what I did, this helps if you know how to braid your own hair. So then what I did, I started making all the braids. They're all going, I wish you could see it. They're all going that way. I forgot if it's vertical or diagonal, I forgot, but basically I did it this way because once it's done, the hair's all going to flow. It's all going to just flow and look good. In the past, I used to do all my braids completely back like that, but when that happened, when my hair would part in the wind or just from natural movement, you could see there would be an entire long, just a big line. Like, oh, you see how there's a line here? You see my scalp here? There would be like just a long scalp line sometimes when I move my hair, and I didn't like that. So when the hair is like this, once it's done, it's all gonna flow. If it moves a little bit, all you're gonna see is hair. So that's my tip on how to do crochet hair on your own. The braids don't have to look perfect. As you can see, these braids don't look perfect, but at the end of the day, once it's done, you'll see that it'll look it'll look pretty, it'll look good, and it was cheap. I bought this hair on Amazon, and yeah, I think I paid like $40 total with shipping. So actually, I didn't pay shipping at Prime. But yeah, anyway, this is just a quick video. How did you crochet hair? There's plenty of videos on YouTube on how to braid your own hair. But yeah, and also I don't use a crochet needle. What I do is, if you can see this, I just grab the hair. I grab it and I keep gripping it. I use my nail and my finger and I make a little space. Then I just loop the hair through. I don't have another hand to show you, but I haven't used the crochet needle for any of this. All I did was grab the hair. I made sure the braids were tight enough. I braided this. Make sure the braids were tight enough. I'm making space. I'm pretty much like making a hole in the hair and the braid. Not the actual braid on top, but the hair underneath it. I'm making a hole in it with my fingers. That way I can loop the hair through. So that's how I did this so far. And on the thumbnail, I'll most likely have the finished product. But yeah, that's how I did it. So yeah, take care.